What distinguishes a Brabus Classic 6-star restoration? Well, the start of any restoration is the complete disassembly of the base vehicle. All parts are inspected and indexed. Unserviceable parts are discarded. Others that are suitable for reconditioning are returned to as-new condition by our specialists. While all missing, damaged, or worn-out components are replaced with newly manufactured Mercedes-Benz parts. To ensure optimal safety and absolute reliability after the restoration, all electrical components are overhauled or replaced, and a new wire harness is installed. The automotive gem is brought back to life with maximum precision and deep devotion. After the chemical removal of all paint, experienced master bodywork specialists recondition the body shell and give it a cataphoretic dip primer coat, as can be found on modern production vehicles. The thus achieved comprehensive corrosion protection using state-of-the-art paint protection technologies is enhanced with a perfect paint job in the original color. The bodywork is completed with the perfectly reconditioned chrome details, such as bumpers, chrome trim, and badges. The lenses of the headlamps are replaced, as are the windshield and the windows. Of course, our restoration is in line with the matching numbers principle. The restored vehicle came off the production line at the time with exactly the same engine and transmission that it is equipped with now. This also applies to all other parts and major assemblies. In addition, the paint color and the color of the interior, plus many more details, correspond to the original version. After the completed restoration, Classic Data, the leading experts organization for vintage cars, awards the vehicle a grade of A+. In addition, because of the unique quality of the work and its true to original character, the vehicle is given a certificate attesting it new car character. As a certified Mercedes-Benz Classic partner, Brabus underscores the perfect execution of all work, with a warranty that is unique in the entire vintage car industry. The exclusive Brabus Classic 6-star certified high-quality restoration label comes with the exemplary 2-year warranty with unlimited miles. Thousands of hours of labor, 40 years of experience, unconditional love for detail from the first to the last bolt. That is what distinguishes a Brabus Classic. Follow your heart.